Welcome to the IELTS Guide Series. Today, I will explain the IELTS writing test completely, including task types, structure, and important tips. The IELTS writing test takes 60 minutes, and there are two tasks. You must complete both Task 1 and Task 2. Task 2 has more marks than Task 1, so you should spend more time on Task 2. A good time plan is 20 minutes for Task 1 and 40 minutes for Task 2. Task 1. Academic Writing. In Task 1, you must describe visual information. You may see a graph, chart, table, map, or process diagram. You must write at least 150 words. If you write fewer than 150 words, you will lose marks. You should organize your answer into 4 parts. First, the introduction. Here you rewrite the question in your own words. Next, the overview. This is the most important part of Task 1. You should describe the main trends, biggest changes, or general features. Then write details paragraph 1, where you describe important information and numbers. After that, write details paragraph 2, where you describe more key features and comparisons. Remember, in academic Task 1, you should only describe the information. Do not give your opinion. Do not explain reasons. Just report the data clearly. Useful words include increase, decrease, rise, fall, higher than, lower than, and similar. Task 1. General Training. In the General Training test, Task 1 is a letter. You must write at least 150 words. There are 3 types of letters. Informal letters are written to friends or family members. Semi-formal letters are written to someone you know, like a teacher or neighbor. Formal letters are written to companies or organizations. A letter usually has 5 parts. First is the greeting. For example, Dear Sir or Madam, or Dear John. Second is the opening sentence where you explain why you are writing. Next is body paragraph 1 where you explain the situation. Then body paragraph 2 where you give more details. Finally, the closing where you explain what you want. Formal letters usually end with yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Informal letters usually end with best wishes or kind regards. Task 2. Essay Writing. Task 2 is an essay. You must write at least 250 words. If you write fewer than 250 words, you will lose marks. Task 2 is more important than Task 1. There are several types of essays. Opinion essays ask if you agree or disagree. Discussion essays ask you to discuss both views and give your opinion. Advantages and disadvantages essays ask for good and bad points. Problem-solution essays ask about problems and solutions. Direct question essays ask you to answer 2 questions. Essay structure. A good essay has 4 parts. First is the introduction. You should rewrite the question and introduce the topic. Next is body paragraph 1 where you explain your first main idea with examples. Then body paragraph 2 where you explain your second main idea. Finally, the conclusion where you summarize your ideas. Do not introduce new ideas in the conclusion. Band score criteria. Your writing is marked using 4 criteria. First is task achievement or task response. This means answering the question clearly. Second is coherence and cohesion. This means organizing ideas and using paragraphs and linking words. Third is lexical resource. This means using a range of vocabulary correctly. Fourth is grammatical range and accuracy. This means using correct grammar and different sentence structures. Important tips. Always read the question carefully. Follow the word limit. Plan before writing. Use paragraphs. Check spelling and grammar. Leave time to check your answers. Computer-based IELTS tips. If you take the computer-based test, you can see the word count on the screen. Check spelling carefully. Use copy and paste carefully. Type clearly and quickly. This is the complete guide to the IELTS writing test. In the next lesson, we will learn how to write high-band IELTS answers.